Hi, I'm Jimmy Kimmel with a word from Craftsman, sponsors of Screwed, the real-time interactive reality show that encourages you to give an unhandy guy named Alan tips to get him through a series of challenges alive. Now, a couple days ago, Alan was sitting innocently in his apartment in his pajamas. Two men blindfolded him and dropped him off in the middle of the desert. Alan survived thanks to the advice he got via Twitter and Facebook. Hello, Alan.
Don't show that.
This was me, before. And still, Craftsman picked me to be the star of the first live interactive reality series, Screwed. It all started when Craftsman wanted to engage their existing social media fan base and, at the same time, attract a new, younger generation of followers. So the clowns over at the ad agency thought they'd make the first live interactive show and drop me in the middle of nowhere, with just an earpiece and a set of Craftsman tools. The only hope I had to get out alive was the online community of hardcore tool guys who gave me their advice via Twitter, Facebook, and livestream.
Is that enough oil, guys?
See, this wasn't just another piece of branded content people passively watched online.
That's the suspense part of this. Is it gonna fall off or is it gonna stay?
With my life in their hands, viewers were an important part of the show.
If anybody knows where the barrels are, please just tell me.
Using hints they found on Facebook and craftsmanscrew.com, viewers were fueled with the ammo they needed to help move the story along and tell me what to do.
Atlee says that the barrels are about 40 yards southeast of my camp.
Oh, did I mention everything took place live in real time?
Go live, go live, go live.
See, first they dragged me to the middle of the Louisiana bayou.
Oh, there goes my compass into the water.
Then they decided to dump me in the desert
I don't think I'd get cabin fever.
before abandoning me in the Sierra Nevadas.
It's really cold.
I never thought I would make it out alive, but step by step, the online tool guys came to my rescue.
All you guys helped me a lot. I couldn't have done it without you.
I found out later the audience had been given clues and information I never knew about. Blueprints, building instructions, maps where my supplies were hidden. So when I cried out for help,
Which one do you think is the best one?
someone could tweet the correct advice to me.
Okay, I think I'm gonna get feedback that the long chainsaw is the best one to use.
And luckily, they did. Overall, 30,000 strangers tuned in live and saved me from myself. Without them, well, I'd still be screwed. In just 3 months, from YouTube to Facebook and on craftsmanscrew.com, episodes of Screwed were viewed over 4.5 million times. Craftsman's Facebook fans more than doubled, and there were over 94 million national media impressions.
And wow.
But maybe the biggest measure of success isn't a number, it's me.
Master Electrician!
Because thanks to Craftsman, I can say I'm not so screwed anymore.
Whoa!
Well, sort of.